In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to make a public profile on Snapchat. By creating your own public profile, you'll be able to add in public stories and also add in spotlights. Now when you open up your Snapchat, if you tap on the stories tab, now when you create a public profile and you upload videos, your videos also will be visible on the discovery tab. Now other than the discovery page, you can also add in spotlights. If you tap on this triangle on the bottom right, you can see these are called spotlights, which are short form videos similar to Reels or YouTube Shorts. Now to create your own public profile, you just tap on your Bitmoji on the top left and you can scroll down, and on Spotlight and Snap Map you just tap on this options and then tap on create public profile. Here you can see some of the benefits of using a public profile. You just tap on get started and tap on create. As soon as you do that, your public profile will be created and a section of my public profile will be visible. You can tap on this option, and from here you can add in different kind of videos and even spotlights. You can add in a cover to your public profile, and when someone subscribes, you can see the number of subscribers grow, similar to YouTube. So that's the way that you create a public profile on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. It was a real quick and easy video. And if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.